Good morning everyone. Our batch number is 9 and our project title is IOT based flood monitoring and alerting system. We have done this project under guidance of Dr. R. Swati ma'am and myself is B. Suma and our project lead is L. Vinutna and our team members are G. Aditya and C. H. Divya. Divya explains about components that we have used in project.
We are using in this project 4 sensors are there, one of which is the ultrasonic sensor and float sensor, IR sensor and raindrop sensor, and also GSM module is there and water pump also is there. LCD also is there. Vinutna is explained the updated in PowerPoint.
As one of our member already explained, we have components like ultrasonic sensor, IR sensor, float sensor, a submergible pump, raindrop sensor and a transmitter and receiver. We have also used buzzers for siren and we have used GSM module to provide signals and SMS messages for authorities and citizens. We know that ultrasonic sensor have pins like trigger and echo. That is, ultrasonic sensor consists of transmitter and receiver. Whenever it provides ultrasonic sound, it will transmit ultrasonic sound to the water that is present in the river bed, and whenever it reaches the water level, it will the water will reflect the ultrasonic sounds and it will receive, and in that way it will measure the distance between the water and the village area. And then we have IR sensor. IR sensor is also similar to ultrasonic sensor, but in ultrasonic sensor we use ultrasonic sound waves, and in IR sensor we use infrared rated waves. And we have also used raindrop sensor. It will actually works as a switch to operate the IR sensor, and whenever there is a water level inside the village, the IR sensor will detect the water level and it will provide signal to the water pump to transmit the water from one place to another place. And we have also consist of GSM module, and GSM module we will provide a SIM, and the GSM module will provide the SMS signal to both the citizens and authorities present in the village and surrounding the village. We have also used a transmitter and receiver. Whenever the ultrasonic sensor senses the water level is rising in an alarming rate, it will send buzzer signal, and then this will be operating, and when it will the transmitter and receiver will provide signal to the citizens to move to the safer place, and further the working will be explained by Aditya.
The ultrasonic sensor and float sensor is placed at the river bank. When the ultrasonic sensor senses the water level through the distance, using distance, the buzzer will be ring inside the villages. And in the LCD display we have seen that the F is equal to 0, that is float sensor is 0, because the float sensor here, when the float sensor is like this, and the float sensor range also be updated. Whenever the rain is occurred inside the village, the rain sensor senses the rain. The rain sensor senses the rain and it is updated in the app. And whenever the ultrasonic sensor senses the water level, it also opens the dam gates through the servo motor. And the whole process is done by the Arduino UNO. The sensor's data will be connected to the Arduino, and the Arduino processes the data and sends the signal to the GSM module. And the GSM module sends the message signal to the authorities. And here we are using transmitter and receiver. By this we are ringing the buzzer inside the village using float sensor. And the message signals are like this. And the sensor values are updated in the app like this, and this is the float sensor signal, and this is the IR sensor, ultrasonic sensor, rain sensor, float sensor, rain sensor, IR sensor. And the node MCU is connected to the kit through Node MCU, the values are updated in the cloud.